Start. We have been given to understand that there is no database of all the child care institutions in the country. State governments have not even validated the available data or undertaken the mapping of child care institutions in collaborations with the union government. This is an essential first step since it is difficult to imagine how children in child care institutions can be cared for if there is no record of the number of institutions, number of children in such institutions, relevant information regarding the Children Act, etc. Therefore, technology can be put to good use for collection, revision, and access of records of children in need of care and protection and the child care institutions. It is imperative for the union government as well as the state governments to make out a complete list of all child care institutions along with their addresses and the person in charge or the principal office as well as full details of the children residing in the child care institutions. Learned amicus submitted that all these details, though necessary, are not available with the union government or the NCPCR. Availability of all this information is possible only with the use of technology and a massive computerization program. Similarly, for the effective functioning of the juvenile justice boards as well as the child welfare committees, it is necessary that they should be equipped with computers and printers along with uninterrupted power supply units so that their day-to-day functioning can be taken care of. Learned amicus pointed out that perhaps this may be asking for too much since she has received complaints to the effect that very often stationery is not available with the child welfare committees or the juvenile justice boards, and an appropriate requisition has to be made to the state government or the local authority which is leisurely proceeded. In our opinion, if this submission were to be accepted, it would indicate a very sorry state of affairs in which the juvenile justice boards and the child welfare committees are made to function. This stepchild attitude cannot be permitted to continue since these statutory bodies are vital for having necessary supervision over child care institutions within their jurisdiction. Stop over.